Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily turn your photo into a stunning walnut wood effect using a free app called Dreamface. Don't worry, it's super simple, beginner friendly, and the best of all, it's free. First, if you don't have the Dreamface yet, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And then once it's installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And the great thing is Dreamfest will give you a free package with weekly credits. That means you can generate a limited number of photos or videos every day without paying anything. And now once you're inside the app, just tap on AI filter and then just scroll down until you find super filter and then just search for walnut wood. This one, just tap on it. And when you're done selected the photo, just tap on animate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, Dreamface will process your image into and turn it into a stunning walnut artwork like this. And honestly, it looks so realistic and looks so incredible. And okay, once you're happy with the result, just save it or and then just easy share to your social media. So that's how you can transform any picture into a walnut wood masterpiece using Dreamface for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.